नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. नीरज धोलिया, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटरनरी साइंस, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So students, today we are here to discuss the topic practical session, that is the microbial flora of mouth or the oral microbial flora. So this practical comes under the subject medical biotechnology lab. So let's start. So the mouth or the oral cavity, due to the presence of very much nutrients which are available through the food and other things which we eat, and the presence of the epithelial debris and the secretions make it the mouth very favorable place to grow the bacteria or the other microorganisms. So generally the microorganisms or the bacteria which are present or the found in the oral cavity are the Streptococci, Lactobacilli, and Staphylococci and Corynebacteria. So these bacteria are the normal flora of oral cavity. Normal means they are pathological, not the physiological, not pathological. So the pathological conditions generate when the non-normal bacteria are grow in our oral cavity. So with the age, the microbial flora or the percentage of distribution of the microbial flora of our oral cavity changes. So the normal bacterial flora of the oral cavity clearly benefit from their host, because they gain food from their habitat, and there may be benefits as well to the host also. Means we also have some benefits from the normal flora of our oral cavity. So the microorganisms which present in our oral cavity contribute in the host nutrition through the synthesis of vitamins, and they contribute to immunity by inducing low level of circulating and secretory antibodies that may cross react with the pathogens. So they are beneficial to us, and they also get the benefit from us. So what are the materials which are required to perform the experiment to isolate or to characterize the bacteria or the microorganisms of the oral cavity? So material required are the PDA and the NA media, the incubator, laminar airflow, nichrome wire loop, ethanol, cotton, and the autoclave. So procedure, we will prepare first the media. The culture plates are prepared using the nutrient agar media and the potato ductus agar media respectively. We will autoclave the media and pour in the culture plates, and after the media is solidified, we stick the inoculum. So what is the sample of sticking? Using the toothpick, we will scrape the teeth and the tongue, and we will dissolve in the 0.9% saline water, and we will use it after diluting. So we will, after sticking, we will incubate them on the incubator for 24 and 48 hours, and after the 24 hours we will observe that which microorganisms are grown. So we will identify them using the morphology of the colony and the normal physiology of the colony. So results, what you have observed, you will observe in your culture plates will be your result, and precautions that all the procedures will you perform in the laminar airflow, so that the contamination will not occur. Autoclave the media properly and use the glasswares very carefully. So thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this detailed session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur. Thank you.